Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna be giving my opinion about this doll that's been going viral, Labubu. If you've been on TikTok or Instagram lately, you've probably seen it. Some people think it's cute, others say it's creepy. But as an early childhood educator and a mom, I've been paying attention to the craze, and I want to share with you why I think parents should be careful before bringing this toy into their homes. Let's start with safety. The US Consumer Product Safety Commission, the actual government agency, put out an urgent warning about counterfeit versions of this doll, known as Lafufus. These knockoffs look similar to Labubu, but they're made with really poor materials. They can break apart easily, and the small parts become a choking hazard for kids. The warning was so serious that the agency said these fake dolls have no place in American homes. As a parent, that's terrifying, because the last thing we want is for playtime to turn into an emergency room visit. Now let's talk about the look of the toy. Labubu has big eyes, sharp teeth, and kind of a monster-like face. Some kids may think it's funny, but others can actually get scared. Countries like Russia have even proposed banning the doll, saying it could harm children's mental health. And in Iraq's Kurdistan region, over 4,000 dolls were seized and banned from stores. Now I'll be honest with you. There isn't any strong scientific research that proves Labubu harms kids emotionally. But as a teacher, I've seen how children react to toys that look scary. Some laugh it off, but others carry that fear with them. So I think it's important for parents to notice how their child responds before buying into the trend. Another thing that worries me is the way these toys are sold. Labubu usually comes in what's called a blind box. That means you don't know which figure you're going to get until you open it. For adults, that's just part of collecting. But for kids, it can quickly turn into something addictive. They start begging for more and more, chasing after the rare versions. Opening the box gives them a rush of excitement, and when they don't get what they want, they feel disappointed and want to try again. I've seen the same pattern with other collectible toys, and it's not healthy for kids, especially when social media is pushing the hype. And of course, we can't ignore social media. Labubu has become a full-on craze. You see people lining up at pop-up stores, recording dramatic unboxings, and posting videos that get millions of views. In some places, there have even been fights over these dolls. It stops being about play and starts being about showing off online. For kids, this creates pressure. They don't just want the toy to play with, they want the right version so they can fit in with what they see online. And honestly, that's not what childhood play should be about. So as a mom and a teacher, here's my takeaway. Labubu isn't automatically bad, but the risks, fake versions, scary designs for some kids, and addictive blind box buying are things every parent should think about. Always check for safety labels, and remember, not every viral trend is healthy for children. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more parenting tips and honest reviews. See you in the next video.